Okay.
This would be the best place to fly a kite in the world. What?
You can see why this would be a good vantage point to have
What if there's a giant
observers and
kite?
cannons and stuff.
Mom, what if there's a giant kite and then you jumped off here? Woohoo! I believe I can.
That's the Tennessee River right there.
Where? I don't see it.
Right over there, boy. There's downtown Chattanooga.
Yep, I don't see the aquarium though. Oh yeah, I see it.
Now, it looks like it's raining over there, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Oh yeah, I see the Chattanooga River.
And over there, back over one of that may be this right here is Missionary Ridge. There were tons of battles on that.
So what are we gonna do?
Well, we're gonna walk around a little bit up here, buddy.
I want some Dippin' Dots. Cause I'm hot.
And there's that the Tennessee River comes back over there too. That's where we were with John the other day. Where we went on that where that lock is.
I zoomed in on the lock.
There goes the train.
Okay, here goes the train.
Yeah.
It goes down. Wait, I don't watch it.
It's a cable.
Over there.
Oh my gosh! It goes down all the way down there when that one started. Switch tracks. They're both gonna switch tracks.
Awesome.
Man, that's a long way to. Dang it!
No, I say it's the snow.
I would not want to go down there.
Stone Mountain. This is like saying
Of course there's two. I see the highway. I can't believe it. I actually see the highway. It really is a high highway.
Well, yeah, the other one's